Hello, so in this video I'd like to show how to work with the slider. The slider has different parts, the locations, which are here, then the internal communications, and then we also get some news. So let's go take a look at the news, how we get them. So the news are fed from categories, from the news category. So let's take a look at some of the latest news. It's important to keep in mind the length of the title and the text because we can left it flexible, so you can play with it. We don't like crop anything, so basically you want like one line of text at the most, and the title should also fit one line, and the image is fed from the featured image. Let's go to internal communications, and this will be the same thing. We're getting the title, uh, short content, and the so let's take a look. Let's say that like we want to display one more internal communication. We have three. Let's say we want to display four. This is done through the individual sliders, and basically we would go here, and I've just finished this, so let me rename it to news. So what we would do is we would go in the slides, and we see one item, two items, three items. So let's just copy the last item. So we would duplicate it, and in the more options we want to display the fourth inline. So let's see what this would be. The fourth one is not ready, it doesn't have an image, and we see that the title is too long. Let's see how it would look like. So here it is, and we see that it's like too wide, too big. So we're not going to use that. So let's cancel this this slide. Awesome. And let's go back to the third one. Okay. So these are all the parts. So let's go to internal tier locations, because locations have some different fields to fill in. So what we're filling it with locations, apart from the featured image, which is the background. By the way, this is where you change it. If some image is not large enough, this is where you change it. And we're also filling out the location logo here, which shows like bottom right. So this is all that you should need to manage the content of the slider. Same way, just I will repeat that if you add a new location, or you want to show more locations from one area, you would go to all sliders. Let's go to South America, for example, and let's say that we want to display one more location. So we're showing, so far I think we're showing 5 locations. Let's say we want to show 6, so I will just duplicate the slide, and I'll configure it so it will show the 5th. So let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's interesting. So that should be the 6th one in the row. And now let's save the changes.